Last question. Since listening to your recordings and on YouTube 5 times ago, I found resonance with an image that, I have in mind, that I am in a very big circle that is this universe, and I need to stay in this circle, in the center of the circle, as much as I can.
It isn't that you need to, it's that you can't do otherwise.
Okay.
Because you're always going to be the center of your point of attraction.
Exactly.
And everything in all of the universe will revolve around you. That's just the way that it is. And so don't need to do it, just accept that you can't do otherwise.
And being in that center, sometimes I would feel that I don't really want more things, and desire, like fire, would a little bit, subside. And I would feel, okay, all is well, I'm in the right place, right time, I feel great. So I wouldn't really, sometimes in that, place, feel like I want to do more, or like everything seems okay and fine, and
but here's
like
the thing.
I want the ecstasy with alignment. Like, you see what I mean?
But that's more.
So
that's more too. The conversation that we just had took thought beyond that which it has been before. We've never had a more productive discussion about this topic that we were chewing on just now. And so you just experienced expansion and evolution, and that's more. So what we're saying to you is, you cannot shut down your engine of expansion, and giving into it is a good thing. Just accepting that the expansion is inevitable, and also accepting that once you find that receptive mode and you learn to control it, that's what step 4 is, hanging around in it regularly and often because you like the feeling of it. Then what happens is the inspiration that comes just keeps calling you into opportunities for more launching of more rockets. So what we're saying to you is, give in to the eternal, important, inevitable expansion. We think the difference that you are wanting to emphasize is sometimes, in fact it's rampant on your planet, people think that asking for more is greedy when what you have should be enough. And what we want to explain to you is that you cannot stand still, and that perhaps what you're trying to soothe here is the conversation between materialism and spiritualism, between manifestation and alignment. And we want to say, as long as you're in this physical format, alignment is always going to produce materialism, because materialism is the leading edge of alignment. Wow. Make peace with it. Make peace with it. So many people are wanting to make people who have greedy, and we want you to understand that they've found alignment and it is manifested, and that there is not an end of that pot of gold. There's no ending to resources, that someone else thriving cannot possibly prohibit someone else from thriving. That would be like saying, oh, I've been so healthy for so long, yes, and there are so many sick people out there. I'm going to be sick for a while in order to allow the healthiness to go to someone who hasn't been getting it. You don't say that, because you know it's not like that. You're not depriving someone of clarity when you're thoughtful. You don't take away their confusion by becoming confused and leaving more clarity pot for them. Yes. In other words, it's thriving that uplifts the whole. And so we want you to accept that it is inevitable that you prosper in all ways when you get in sync with source energy. Okay. That was a good discussion too.
Thank you.
Something more?
Thank you.
Yeah.